Now we will work on the logout functionality. So here I will add a button with the name logout. Okay, so let's go to index.tsx, and after this email here I'm going to take a button and type that is going to be primary. Okay, and we will create a function on click. So on click, and here I'm going to add a function called on log out. Okay, and let's keep the name as logout. Okay, you can keep, if you want, you can keep sign out. Okay, we need to import the button from entity. Okay, so here it is, and now here after the get user I'm going to create a const called on logout equals to async and then an arrow function, and inside we need try catch block. Okay, and inside the catch block here I'm going to, okay, so it is already giving me the function, but in the catch block we will add this error message. So let's add this. Okay, and inside the try block I am going to take a const, and here I'm going to say logout response that is going to be of type any, await supabase config.auth. Okay, supabase config.auth dot, and the method is called sign out, and then we need to pass the condition that if logout response dot error is true. Okay, if there is an error, if there is any error, then throw this error. Okay, or else we need to just uh, give a success message API dot success logout successfully, and then set timeout, and it will redirect to login page. Yes, and here it should be any. Okay, so we already passed the logout function here on click, type that is primary. Let's go and check. Okay, so it is a full width. So here I can say w hyphen max. Okay, so it will take, okay, save this file. Okay, now it is working fine. So let's go to inspect, and once I log out, so this token will uh, also be deleted. So let's try to log out successfully. Okay, so we are redirected to login page, and here as you can see the token has gone away. So let me just log in again. Okay, login successful, and here as you can see we are getting the token, and again if we log out successful. I think 2 seconds is too much. 1 second is more than enough, because okay, let me just try it. Let me just log in once again. After login also, I think 1 second is more than enough. Okay, login successful, and now it is redirecting, and if I log out successful, and yes, that is fine actually. So even for login, I think 1 second is more than enough. Okay, to show the message. So here if I log in once again, login successful, yes, and if I log out is successful. So this is it. Okay, so we have done the logout functionality as well.